Hello everyone, welcome to Infra Experts. Today's topic is how do we restore a backup, a snapshot RDS backup from one account to some other account. Means you can say that if you are getting some requests to restore your prod backup to your test backup, definitely you will be having your prod account to be different, your prod AWS account to be different, and your non-prod AWS account to be different, right? Then how can you share it? So before we proceed, you should know what is snapshot. Snapshot is nothing but it's a backup of your RDS instance. Since we are talking here about RDS, that's why from RDS perspective I'm saying it is a backup of your RDS database. So snapshot, if you have not made any documents right now because of this, some things you need to know. Snapshots can be of two types, encrypted and non-encrypted. If you are using a free tier account, you cannot have an encrypted snapshot. Only in paid version only you can get an encrypted snapshot. But nevertheless, a non-encrypted snapshot can be converted to an encrypted snapshot and then it can be shared. Also, you need to remember encrypted snapshots cannot be transferred to another account encrypted using the default AWS encryption key. So how to encrypt a non-encrypted snapshot? Non-encrypted snapshots cannot be shared. System snapshots cannot be shared. Even the encrypted snapshots also cannot be shared. Means the system snapshots cannot be shared at all. So how to share an encrypted DB snapshot? Let us log into our AWS console. In here, I have two databases running. This is a MySQL database. This is a free tier version. And this one is an Oracle database, which is a paid version. Let us go to snapshots. In snapshots, I do not have any manual snapshots. I have the system snapshots present. So if you can see that there are two system snapshots of my MySQL database and one system snapshot of my Oracle database. And if you see in here that my Oracle database is having the snapshot as encrypted one, while my MySQL database is having the snapshot as non-encrypted one. Why is it so? Because this is the paid version, as I said, and this is the non-paid version. This is the free tier version. So will you be able to share this encrypted version? See, this is grayed out. You cannot share it. Will you be able to share this? See, here also it is grayed out. So system snapshots cannot be shared. Now let me do one thing. We have this, right? Either you can take a manual snapshot right now, or we can make an use of this only. If a need arises that from this particular date that snapshot only needs to be shared, so at that time you won't be having a manual snapshot, right? That time you need to go ahead with the system snapshots. But I'm not getting any option of sharing the system snapshot. So what shall I do? I need to proceed, right? So what needs to be done? Let me copy the snapshot. So the destination, let it be the same as the KMS key. My KMS key is in Ohio region. So this one should also be in Ohio. And DB snapshot identifier, let me give the name as infra. Target group, this is optional. I'm not giving any groups. These target groups and all have been shared in my previous videos. Enable encryption. So you can see that this is for my infra database, right? Which is non-encrypted one. So in here only you can enable the encryption and use the, since as I said in my this thing, encrypted system snapshots cannot be transferred to another account encrypted using the default. So I need to share the encrypted system snapshot, right? So with default I won't be able to share it. So I need to go ahead with my master key as infra, which I have created, and then let me copy the snapshot. So this is getting copied. Where will it get copied? To my manual snapshots. You can see here I'm in manual snapshots and this is getting copied. You can see snapshot infra is being created. Similarly, let me copy my encrypted snapshot also. This one is an encrypted snapshot. So let me copy it. And you can see here, since this is already encrypted, there's some problem with my browser. And since in here, let me copy it again. Go ahead with the copy. Give the name as database-1. And since the snapshot is already encrypted, that's why, well, I'm having some problem with my account. That's why it is going back every time. Or let me do one thing. Let this get copied. Let one of them get copied. Then I will proceed with the other. Now, one more thing we need to remember in here. How is this master key getting generated? This won't be useful for those who are only dealing with RDS. These will be taken care by your cloud admin. But let me show you. You need to go to Key Management Service. Here I have already created this with the name infra. So this one is getting, I won't be touching this. I'll just show you one more how to do. So in here we have, means from Key Management Services, go to Customer Managed Keys. So this is your dashboard, right? So from here go to Customer Managed Keys. Then go to Create Key. You have two options, key types. One is for symmetric and the other one is asymmetric. So what is a symmetric key? A single encryption key that is used for both encrypt and decrypt operations. And what is asymmetric? A public and private key pair that can be used to encrypt or decrypt or sign or verify operations. So in here you need to download this public key and you need to share with your other accounts. In here, for the sake of this video, we will be proceeding with the symmetric one. And in advanced options, I'm selecting KMS. Next, go to next and give the name as test. Option, this is a test key because I have already created one of the keys. And in here, let me give the name for the key administrator. Let me define the permissions in here and let me take this AWS service role for RDS. And key deletion, allow key administrators to delete this key. Next, key usage permissions. Let me select this and specify the AWS accounts that can use this key. Administrators of the accounts you specify are responsible for managing the permissions that allow their IAM users to and roles to use this key. So what needs to be done? We need to add another AWS account. So in here I need to give the name. So let me go to my other AWS account. This is my other AWS account, and from here let me take the account name. Okay, and let me put it in here and then next and then finish. So like this you need to create your KMS key, and you can see that key ID, the status, whether it is symmetric or asymmetric, and like that wise this one comes as encrypt and decrypt. Okay, so let me go to RDS again. So you have come to know how to create a KMS key for your RDS to share your snapshots. Now in snapshots, let me go. Let me see right now this is available. So my snapshot for my MySQL database has been copied. Now let me go ahead with this. That was made, the manual snapshot was made with infra KMS key. So let me copy this snapshot with test master key and then just copy it. And you can see the enable encryption option was grayed out because the snapshot was already encrypted. Now this one is created. I need to share this with my other AWS account. How to do it? Can you guess? Share snapshot. So restore snapshot will be restoring it in your this account itself. Copy snapshot, it will be copied in your this account itself. Export to Amazon S3 will be exporting the backup to your Amazon S3, and delete snapshot, as the name suggests, it will be deleting the snapshot. So I need to share the snapshot, and in here I need to give the account ID. This one is already copied. Let me add it in here and just save it. So this is copied with my other account, and you can see in here, let me refresh it. This was for my previous database. So this is shared. Now from here, can you restore it? I cannot restore it. Why? Why can I restore it? Because this has been shared only. But that doesn't mean that this snapshot is in your account till now. So first and foremost thing, what you need to do is you need to copy your snapshot, this snapshot. Give the name DB identifier in here, encryption, and then copy it. So currently this is copied in my target account. This encryption and copying takes a bit time. So I will pause the video until this is done. So my Oracle snapshot has been copied to the manual snapshots zone. Let me share it now. And the account ID being this, right? So this should be shared by now. In here also this one has been copied. And if I go in here, there's no system snapshots. In shared with me, you can see that this one has been copied. So let me share this. I need to copy it. With my default RDS key, because I do not have any other RDS key in here. So this is getting copied, and I'm just showing you how to copy it, an encrypted snapshot. I'll be just restoring the free tier version. So this one I need to restore. So both are encrypted. Let me restore this. So the engine is MySQL community. DB snapshot ID is this. DB instance identifier, let me keep as infra itself. Since I'm not having any other VPC, let me take the default VPC itself. Subnet group also as default. Public access, no. Choose the existing VPC security group, default. Database port is this, and this one as burstable. Encryption is on. So enable auto minor version upgrade and then restore. So currently this is getting restored. I'll pause the video until this is restored. So till the time it gets restored, let me show you some more things. Let us go to the snapshot, and in shared with me, I have these present. As I told you that this is not in shared with me, whatever we are having, that is not been owned by this account, right? I told you. How can I justify this statement? Let me go in here and delete both my manual snapshots. One was taken with the KMS key as infra, and the other one was taken with the KMS key as test, right? Which I created for this video. So let me delete both the snapshots. So I'm deleting them. So this is deleted. So will it show in here? No. Let me refresh it. You can see it's not in here. So until and unless you copy it to your own system, you won't be sure enough that it will be there with you. Because if the source account deletes this snapshot, it will be deleted from here also. So since I have copied it in here, that's why it is there in my manual snapshots zone, but it's not there in the shared with me zone. And you can see that this is now backing up. So we'll be having one automated backups, which is also there in the system. Okay. So in this video, let this database get created. In this video, what all things we saw? We saw what is encrypted and non-encrypted backups, and how you can transfer your encrypted backups to another ID, another account. Also, before transferring your encrypted backups to another account, you need to make sure you have a valid KMS key. The default KMS key won't allow you to share the encrypted backups to another account. So you need to create a KMS key. So we saw how to create the KMS key too, and then how to copy them to your own system, to your own account, and how to restore the database. So that is all about today's session. I won't be waiting for this to get uh, created, because there won't be any issues for while restoring. Okay, so I was just making this video to show you how to create them. So that is all about today's session, where we saw these methods. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Take care.